Hello, I'm at Caravan Salon, and here we see all sorts of unusual and unbelievable motorhomes. We've got this one here from Mobilvetta Design. It says they're concept Fahrzeug. Fahrzeug means vehicle, concept means concept. You can see we've got all sorts of colours around it. It's the Italian national colours. Mobilvetta Design is an Italian company. It was started up as a furniture company, and let's have a look at this concept itself. Right, so I'm coming in right now, and what can we say? I'll even close the door behind me if I can do. And at the back we have got this German layout, 2 joinable beds. Well, I have to say to start off with that looks quite original, and this blue light, mind you, for the moment it's not entirely out of this world. Maybe there's something in it which is out of the world. Well, we'll come in here. We've got a shower unit here, which is very attractive. Hey, look at this thing they put on the back wall. They're putting that in EuraMobil as well. And not only that, but we can close the door here. And as I turn around, oh, we've got a dodgy toilet. No, it's not a dodgy toilet. Sorry, I take that back. It's a Thetford toilet. Sorry, I apologise to Thetford for saying that. It's not a dodgy toilet. I thought it was one. And we've got this nice floral design in the toilet as well. But anyway, let's come out and let's have a look at what we've got in here. Well, we've got some windows, and we'll have a look outside the windows, and so a nice view. Oh, the view's gone. How did that happen? The view has suddenly gone. This is a way of turning the windows out. There you go, there's a new one. Turning the windows out. That's a little joke of mine, turning the windows out. So you can turn the curtains on, whatever. And so that is something completely new. I'm not certain if this is going to catch on or not. I don't know what the cost would be, but anyway. Okay, right, let's see what else we've got. And oh, the colour's changing. It's a disco. So we can actually have a disco internally, and we can dance around the motorhome. Well, that's something new. And what else can we say? Oh, we've got here a table. Oh, table comes out electronically. I think it's quicker actually to do it by hand, to be quite honest. Oh, and the thing here pops up, and there you've got your USBs, and you can leave your table like that. That's handy actually. You leave the table like this, because that way things will just slide off naturally, and so you won't have to knock them off yourself. And right, so at the front we've got something. Actually, this isn't entirely new, this, but we see them big things at the front. They're the mirrors. Now, this has been done. The first time I saw this in action was at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart in when was it? January 2017, I think it was. And Pilot showed one of their luxury models. I think it was in Le Voyageur or something. It was the first time I'd seen it in a motor. It's the first time ever seen it. But then when I looked it up, it turns out the Mercedes had been doing it since the 18th century or something like that. But anyway, the advantage of having your mirrors as cameras internally, there's a huge value with the speed, the fuel consumption. So that's huge. But there is does make a difference. But in the fuel consumption, quite surprised me, still claiming something like 0.4% improved. I mean, it mightn't sound like much, but after a few years it'll add up a bit. This is on a Fiat base, as you can see. And right, oh, we've got a door here as well. Can I show you the door? So we've got, oh, look at this. Oh, there we go. Oh no, hey, I know there's going to be something surprising here, isn't there? There's going to be, oh, there's a fridge. There you go. There's a fridge. Isn't that interesting? It's been turned off, that's why there's no colour in it. So I think I've seen this somewhere else, to be quite honest. I think there's another vehicle did this. Right, there's the television. Oh, this is quite clever actually. It's not I need to point out that this is not unique for this, because this actually exists in several others. When I came here with one of my the people I work with in Poland, and he saw this television set up for the first time, in another van. I said, well, I haven't seen that before. I said, okay, right, I should have told you maybe it's not that unique. And over here we will find, this is what Carthago calls a coffee solution. And the solution is this, that when you try coffee from that, you'll never want it again, so it saves you money. Pretty good idea, eh? There's the sink. I like that sink, actually. Oh, tap comes up. And yeah, that's actually a sink score. It's a square-shaped sink. Okay, it might be a bit small for a vehicle of this size, but it makes sense. On the other hand, I don't like these plates at all. They're quite clearly far too heavy. And right. Oh, we've got something down here. What could this be? Oh, I don't know. I'm a bit frightened now. Oh, look, the steps coming up. So you've got a step that comes up and down at a touch of a button. And there's something in here as well. Does the light work in here? Oh, it does. Oh no, it doesn't. No light, but we do have an extending, what do you call that? Hanger. Curtain rail. Hanger. And I had an incident there. I was filming a Mobilvetta van and this came off in my hand. I bet they think I did it. I broke it earlier and I just then came back. And oh, we've got something through here. That is that's your access to your garage. I mean, nothing unusual really about that. That's quite common in motorhomes. So, oh, I forgot to mention we've got this tiny. That's called a mini hickey or something. We've got, and here we've got these lights as well, skylights. I like a lot of light to come in. Unfortunately, because we're inside a hall, we can't really appreciate the amount of light. One thing we've got is storage all the way around. I bet the storage, does it open or not? It does open. Something's opening. Oh no. Oh, it's got central locking. Alright, that's clever. Well, that's a good idea, central locking. And does it open without central locking? It does. Oh, there you go. It opens. It's dark, so you can't really see what is there. So I'm going to put my hand in, and that's how far back it'll go. Right. One thing I'll just mention is we've got a reversing camera down there, which would come in handy. And we've also got the door. Let's have a look at the door as we go out. Right, so we can see what the score is with the water and what have you as we leave, and we can turn off the heating. And here we have the door. It's got a window in all the way down. That is something unusual. And right, so we've got storage around the outside. I'll close the door. Big garage at the back. Modulo di scarico. Oh, it's electric. I think it's not electric. I bet it's diesel. I'm just pretending it's electric to make it look good. Alright, so can we get around here and have a look at more of it? There you go. Storage on the side. I bet one of these is the gas. I bet they're just pretending that it doesn't work on gas. Anyway, it's called a Fluideen. Seems a daft name to me. And anyway, I hope you found that interesting. That is the Mobilvetta Conceptfahrzeug. Veicolo di concetto here at Caravans in Dusseldorf. Thanks for watching. Upload every day 21:15. If you're interested to see more vehicles that'll never get built, then please subscribe. For the moment, from me here, thanks for watching and bye for now.